Dear students, in the topic genetics and evolution for class 12th in zoology, we were discussing about the determination of sex in different animals, including human beings and birds, as well as honeybees. The topic which we have discussed in the last chapter, in the last discussion, that is male heterogamety. This male heterogamety, it has two systems. How can we determine the sex in different animals? That is XX and XY type. This type we have already discussed in human beings. The next system to be discussed here is XX and X0 type. This system was reported in 1902 by McClellan, a biologist. The scientist reported that somatic cells of female grasshopper bears 24 chromosomes. This was reported in the female grasshopper, which contains 24 chromosomes. 24 chromosomes means 12 sets, whereas those of males had only 23. The males had only 23, but the females had 24. This means the male had one chromosome less than the female. Female having 24 and male having 23. The male was having one chromosome less than the female. In many insects, this is a chromosomal difference between the sexes. Female being referred to as XX, having 2 X chromosomes, and males as X0 with 1 chromosome. That is, in the female in the grasshoppers, we can see insects and other such insects, the females are designated. The females are referred to as XX. That means in the sex chromosomes, they have the double sets of X, and males are designated by X0. X0 means that they contain only one X chromosome. As a result of meiosis, all the eggs of such species carry one X chromosome. Whenever the gametogenesis in this individual takes place, each gamete is having X chromosome. But when the gametogenesis in males takes place, this means the 50% of the gametes would be having X chromosome and 50% of the gametes would be lacking X chromosome. Whereas only half of the sperms have one, the other half has none. Whenever this forms one half of the chromosome, they have the X chromosome. The another half, they have the 0 X chromosome. That means there is no X chromosome. Since the males produce two types of gametes, these males produce two types of gametes. 50% gametes are produced in these insects. 50% gametes are produced that contain X chromosome as sex chromosomes, and 50% gametes are produced that contain 0 X chromosome. That means no X chromosome. And X and Y in XY type, they are called as heterogametic. In this system, whenever there is XY type, because the X and Y are different, females are homogametic, producing only one type of gametes with X chromosomes. This type of what we call as the male heterogameity, this means the males are heterogamous. Heterogamous means they are having different sets of chromosomes. One half is with X, other half is with no X. And females are homogamous. That is, both the females contain XX chromosome. This is exactly equal to, say, synonymous to the human beings, in which the females contain XX combination and the males contain XY combination. That is all about male heterogamety. This was the second method of determination of sex in different insects after the XXXY time. That's all.